Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new video today. So the mango season is coming to an end soon and I wanted to try out some dessert recipes with mangoes. So I tried this mango pudding recipe which is super easy to prepare and very delicious. Anybody can make this. You don't need to be too skilled for making this pudding. So the ingredients list is given below. Do check it out. I've also got lots of other sweets and dessert recipes on my channel, so consider subscribing and click the notification bell. So let's move into the video. So first I've got some sago or sabudana, or you can call it tapioca pearls, which I'm washing nicely. Make sure you wash it once or twice under running water so that the starch in it gets removed to an extent. Now I'm pouring some water on it and we're going to let this soak for minimum 1 hour. Once it's soaked for 1 hour, I'm going to wash this once again under running water. So sago can be really starchy and it's important that you keep washing it before and after soaking to remove the starch from it. So once it's nicely cleaned, we'll take water, bring it to boil on medium-high and then add the sago into it and we'll cook the sago until it is nice and tender. Meanwhile, I've taken some mango pieces in a bowl, in a mixie jar. I'm pouring some condensed milk into it along with a little bit of normal milk. Don't pour the whole milk at one go, just let it blend for a little while. Check the consistency and add the rest of the milk and make it into a thick puree like this. So the sago is cooked well. I've drained the water in a sieve and I'm showing it under running water and cleaning it nicely and keeping it aside. Now it's time to assemble the pudding. I've taken 2 bowls. I'm adding a little bit of the sago pearls into it. And then I'm going to top it with the mango puree which we have made. And then I'm going to add some cashew nuts into this. I've cut the cashew nut nicely and I'm going to add that on top of the mango puree. You can also add bits of mango to this to make it interesting. So if you don't have mangoes in your area, then you can just use mango puree which you can buy from the supermarket to make the same recipe. So I'm doing the same for the second bowl as well. You should be able to make about 3 servings with this recipe. So I've done the same process for the next bowl as well. Now we're going to leave it in the refrigerator overnight preferably to make this pudding really delicious and yummy. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.